Hello everyone, I have Willful Smart Watch that I bought from Amazon today. I'm doing open box video and probably will show you how to connect this with your smartphone. So let's get this open. This is how I got it. No plastic wrap. Actually, let's see what's on the back. Looks like it has heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, pedometer, and it is waterproof IP68. You can actually get it in different color. I got black, as you can see. Again, I got this from Amazon. Looks like you have to download an app to use this watch. Let's see what we got. Okay, Chinese, hopefully English too. Yeah, we got English instructions too. Okay, so download and install app. We'll try to download and install after seeing what's inside the box. Charging instruction, I guess, how to charging. Okay, so I guess this is how you charge. I think this is the USB cable with charger. This is the charging dongle, 4-pin dongle. Okay, so here we go. We have what's in here. Actual watch, and let's see if we can turn it on. What does it say? Left button long press to enter sport mode, right button press to return. So we'll see if we can charge this. I mean, we can turn it on. I'm just gonna take the strap apart. It's turning on. Actually, let's take this plastic off. There you go, turned on. Different apps. Okay, so let's see. It says long press to quickly go into sports mode. I'm gonna try that. Yeah, it goes to sports mode if you long press left button. So it stops with right button and restart with right button again, I guess. Yep, I don't know why it is showing heart rate 71. I don't even have it on. So let's take my Apple Watch off and put this on and see if heart rate is showing. "91, 90, 88. So heart rate does fluctuate sometimes. And I'm actually gonna put my Apple Watch on and see if heart rate matches. I think I need to clean my Apple Watch. 85. Actually, I think this one shows accurate as well, but I don't know why it is showing heart rate without putting the watch on. So there are a couple of apps. just flipping through to show what's available. Long press right button to pause, and if you want to end it, end. So okay, sport, relax, alarm, heart rate. Again, I'm not gonna put it on. I'll probably do review video later. This is all for now. Just wanted to do open box to see what's inside this box. Turning it on. If you want to turn it off, let's see if we can get to settings or try long pressing it. Didn't do anything long pressing it, so probably have to go to settings, up, settings, shutdown, confirm shutdown, yes, shutting it down. That's all I have to show you today. Actually, let's see if I can show you how to connect this thing. I'm gonna go to App Store. Actually, let's go to QR reader. Gonna scan the code. What? It's showing error. Scan with your friend. It's showing error. Let's try this one. Let's try this. Okay, it worked. From the instruction manual it worked. So VeriFit Pro, get it actually have only 3.1 rating, so I'm not sure how good it is. I'm gonna wait. I'm trying to do this without reading instruction manual, so I'm just gonna say notification don't allow right now. Allow while using app. So let's see, where is the app? VeriFit Pro. Looks like it accesses your health app. Alright, so let's go to settings. It's on Bluetooth. It's not showing anything. It's not showing anything on my phone. No new Bluetooth devices are shown. So let's see. I am actually gonna open the app again. VeriFit Pro, don't allow for now, and use now. I'm gonna do agree. VeriFit Pro would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. The binding network of the device, screen on when searching the device. Okay, I'm gonna do refresh. searching a device. It says searching a device, and there it showed ID 205. ID 205 device. Okay, so I think this is the one, so I'm gonna do click. Okay, and I'm going to confirm device. Okay, so it is also showing something on the watch. I'm gonna do you just have to do the user profile, Bluetooth pairing request. I'm gonna do pair mail. Next, but here I'm just gonna pick random. It is asking me to whether allow to display your iPhone notification. Allow. Okay, I'm just gonna pick random one, random default one. Okay, everything defaulted. So all right, it's synchronizing right now. Change the time automatically and date automatically, so I think it's working. Heart rate, sleep, so devices. All right, then now you can set different things here, wrist gear, alarm alert, everything. You can go through it if you get one of those. I have not used it. As you can see, I'm just opening the box today, so that is all I think for today. I'm not sure if you want to see anything else, please comment so that I can make video or reply to your comment. It's all connected and working good. That's all I have to show today. Sorry for the long video, and thank you very much for watching my video. You have a great day. If you like my video, like and share. For support, actually, I will greatly appreciate it. Please do not thumbs down if you do not like the watch. Only thumbs down for the dislike of the video. If you like the video, please like it. If you like the watch, just say it in the comment. The thumbs up or thumbs down is, please make it only for the video. If you do not like the watch, again, do not thumbs down, please. And please comment if you have anything on this watch, and I will give link to Amazon or any other possible sites you can get this watch from. You can click on the link. If you like the watch, you can buy it. For now, that's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.